Hello and welcome to our video about learning the names of 30 different fruits in English. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, it's important to expand your vocabulary and learn new words. And what better way to do that than by learning the names of some delicious fruits? In this video, we'll go through a list of 30 common fruits in English, from apples and bananas to more exotic fruits like papaya and passion fruit. For each fruit, we'll provide the name, as well as a picture and a pronunciation guide so you can practice saying the words correctly. By the end of this video, you'll have learned the names of 30 different fruits in English, which will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you communicate more effectively with English speakers. Plus, you'll be able to try out some new fruits and add more variety to your diet. So, get ready to learn some new words and discover some tasty fruits. Let's get started.
Apple, banana, orange, mango, pineapple, strawberry, kiwi, grapes, watermelon, cantaloupe, honeydew melon, lemon, lime, grapefruit, guava, pomegranate, peach, pear, plum, cherry, blueberry, raspberry, blackberry, cranberry, apricot, fig, passion fruit, tangerine, nectarine, papaya.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.